Well, here it is again, folks. Just being deadly like usual. Got my rough notches in. Getting ready for my final scribe. Oh, yes. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. I was doing a practice notch in the middle and I accidentally put one over here. It wasn't supposed to be there. But, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe put a room right there. Huh? Put a room or have a porch coming out right there. You could have a porch coming out right there. Have a log coming out. Blocking over there, log. Porch right here. Shit, we'll do a wraparound porch. I forgot about that. Trusty hammer. Ooh. Yeah, that's a big hammer. Oh man, can't wait to start scribing. I'm waiting for a level. I ain't got a level. I need to make a storyboard. Storyboard is a small board, say like a 2x4 or something. You put it on a tree right there, and then you level it. Then you get another line. I mean, on that level board, you put a line on there, and that line has to be level. And then your scribe will be all leveled. There's two bubbles on there that need to be leveled. And you'll get a nice, perfect level scribe. In theory. Tools of the trade. Alright, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.